All everyone, please turn on your camera. Everyone turn on your camera and take your book Hornbill. Open the chapter number The Ailing Planet, The Green Movement Role, chapter 5. Open chapter number 5, The Ailing Planet, The Green Movement's Role. Open that chapter. Today we read this chapter. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this chapter, and I again repeat to everyone, please turn on your camera. Otherwise, I remove to you from the class. Now, everyone open.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's opened or not?
ma'am, open.
Ma'am, open.
Okay. Now, let me start the class. This is the 5th chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Ailing Planet, The Green Movement Role, written by Nani Palkhiwala. Okay? Nani Palkhiwala. And one thing more. Remember this, ये जो chapter है, in this chapter, it is an article. Which one is published in the newspaper The Indian Express on 24th November 1994. Okay? Are you read the newspaper? आप लोग न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
वहां पर एक जो पेज होता है उसमें व्यूज आते हैं, आइडियाज आते हैं, उसको हम आर्टिकल कहते हैं. On the same way, this chapter is also the article which was written by Nani Palkhiwala and published on the Indian Express newspaper. The Indian Express is the name of newspaper. On that newspaper, this article published on 24th November 1994. Means 1994 की बात है ये. Clear? And on that article, the Nani Palkhiwala issues that he raised regarding the decline health of the earth continue to have relevance. Clear? In this chapter or in this article, we read, or the writer means Nani Palkhiwala underline the damage things which has been done by man, and that damage things which has been done by man, that is related to the forest, fisheries, grasslands, croplands. Means ailing planet matlab bimar, and that planet is our earth. Okay? Here planet means that refer to our earth. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear? That
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the introduction of this chapter. Clear? So now let me read. So here, okay, who? That is Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you read.
One cannot recall any moment in world history which has gripped the imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the Green Movement, which started nearly 25 years ago. In 1972, the world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Since then, the movement has not looked back. We have shifted, one hopes, irrevocably from the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. It is a shift in human perceptions and as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the Earth and the other planets revolved around the sun. For the first time in human history, there is growing worldwide consciousness that Earth itself
Yes.
is a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. It has its own metabolic needs and vital processes which need to be respected and preserved. The Earth's vital signs reveal a patient in declining health. We have begun to realize our ethical obligation to the stewards of the planet and responsible trustees of the legacy to future generations. The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment. In its report, it defined the idea as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. That is, without stripping the natural world of resources future generation would need. In the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia, there is a cage where the notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. Inside the cage, there is no animal but a mirror where you see yourself. Thanks to the efforts of a number of agencies in different countries, a new awareness has now dawned upon the most dangerous animal in the world. He has realized the wisdom of system only to one partner. Scientists have
Okay.
cataloged
Ayush, now stop. Kritika, Nitin, Ankush, everyone. Anshul Salia. Anshul, you everyone. Turn on your camera. Okay. अब तो खुशी खुशी क्लास अटेंड करो. रिजल्ट निकल गया है, सब खुश हैं, अच्छा रिजल्ट निकला है. अभी भी परेशान क्यों रह रहे हो? ओके. No, now I explain to you. Here Nani Palkhiwara said that one cannot recall any moment in world history. कि यहाँ पर one cannot recall, nobody can recall any moment in the world history which has gripped the imaginations of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the Green Movement, which started nearly 25 years ago. Okay, it is going to be 25 years ago when the Green Revolution was started. Okay, and why it is started? Because the human race means जो आदमी है, persons हैं, that is so completely gripped on the imagination world. मतलब gripped means उनको पकड़ लिया गया है, gripping कर ली है, humans mind को gripped out of the imagination world, and on that world, वो जो word है, in 1972 the first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. First time that party who started the Green Revolution, that was founded in New Zealand, and the movement has not looked back. We have shifted. Who? We means human being. We all are shifted. One hopes. Clear? One hope. That is irrevocably from the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. Everyone underline this thing. You all underline this line. Okay? From the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of clear? Irrevocably means the whole word, completely full. Okay, whole word, पूरा मतलब we have shifted, पूरा word, पूरी दुनिया. One hope is from the mechanistic view. Mechanistic view means we all turn to the mechanical life or technical life. Clear? हमारी जो life है human persons की, that take a mechanical view of the world. मतलब हम जो है अपनी नेचर को अवॉइड कर कर अपना मैकेनिकल और टेक्निकल लाइन की तरफ ज्यादा चल रहे हैं, गोइंग टू ऑन दैट साइड. सो हियर फ्रॉम द मैकेनिकल व्यू टू अ होलिस्टिक, वी हैव ए होलिस्टिक and ecological view of it. Holistic means that one is not complete, means a simple point. मतलब हम जो है वो एक टेक्निकल लाइन की तरफ टर्न कर रहे हैं, तो हम सिर्फ उसी पॉइंट को देख रहे हैं, टेक्निकल लाइन को ही देख रहे हैं, उसका सेकंड पार्ट नहीं देख रहे हैं. उसके मेरिट्स को की तरफ तो हम टर्न कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसकी कुछ डिमेरिट्स भी हैं, उसकी तरफ उसको हम इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. दैट इज अ होलिस्टिक व्यू. एंड इकोलॉजिकल, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल? इको, क्या है इको? यस, टेल मी. इकोसिस्टम,
The repetition of sound.
to related to which thing? Ecological word related to which thing?
Natural.
Yes.
Environment.
Yes, Vanshika. Yes, to nature, to plants. So simple. Ecological means that is related to the plants and the all other living things. Okay, mechanical view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. मीन्स हम लोग मैकेनिकल व्यू की तरफ टर्न कर रहे हैं और इकोलॉजिकल व्यू को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. ये कब की बात है? इन 1972. On that time, and this is the first human history. The earth itself is taken as a living organism. Okay, and this is the first time in human history is taken as a living organism. Then it is shift in human participations as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus. Copernicus is the name. Okay? Copernicus is a name. And that taught mankind in the 60th century that the earth and the other planet revolve round the sun. Who introduced this?
Copernicus.
Who introduced this? And what he taught? What he taught?
Earth and other planets revolve around the sun.
Yes. Yes, give me response. क्या बोला था इसने?
Earth and other planets revolve around the sun.
Yes. Copernicus introduced that and he taught to the mankind in the 16th century. During 16th century, he introduced that the earth and other planets revolve round the sun. Okay? हम सभी ये पढ़ते हैं कि सारे प्लैनेट जो सूर्य के आसपास घूमते हैं. But who introduced this? Copernicus. And when? In 16th century. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Again here, it is the first time in human history there is a growing worldwide consensus that the earth itself is a living organism and enormous being of which we are parts. Enormous means very big, huge. Being of which we are parts. आप और मैं सब. Clear? It has its own metabolic needs. Whose? That earth has its own metabolic needs. Now tell me, what is the meaning of metabolic? Yes. क्या होता है metabolic? क्या होता है metabolic? After all, you are science students. और अगर आप साइंस स्टूडेंट्स नहीं भी हैं, कुछ कॉमर्स के भी होंगे, तो आपने अक्सर अपने 10th तक के साइंस में ये वर्ड पढ़ा होगा, मेटाबॉलिक. इट्स लाइक अ एनर्जी. ओके, मेटाबॉलिक मींस जो मींस जो हमारे इको मींस जो प्लांट्स हैं, जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं, जो स्मॉल थिंग्स हैं, लिविंग थिंग्स हैं, उनका जो खाना है, जो वो खाना खाते हैं, उसको दैट मील और दैट टर्न्ड इनटू एनर्जी, दैट्स कॉल्ड मेटाबॉलिक. ओके, वो जो प्रोसेस है दैट टर्न दैट मील टर्न इनटू एनर्जी, दैट्स कॉल्ड मेटाबॉलिक नीड्स. So it has its own metabolic needs and vital process which need to be respected and preserved. Clear? That need to be respected and preserved. Which thing? That metabolic needs, and it has its own vital process, and this vital process sign now show that it is not in good health. It is a patient in declining health. Clear? We as good steward of the planet have begun to realize our moral obligation. We are now realize that we have to leave this planet as our legacy to the future generation. And like responsible trustees, we have to leave it in good health. Clear? Now, in this Phara, the earth has a vital sign, reveal a patient in declining health. यहाँ पर कहने का मतलब ये है कि हमारी अर्थ के पास ही सब कुछ है, जो हमारी नेचर है उसके पास सब कुछ है, और हमें इस नेचर से ही हर चीज मिलती है. Clear? That nature provide us everything which one is most valuable and precious to live our life, to survive our life. So it is our responsibility to make it or to show some respect of that nature and preserve that nature for future generation. Clear? अगर एग्जाम्पल के लिए अगर आज हम जंगलों से सारी लकड़ी काट लेते हैं, चलो जंगलों को खाली कर देते हैं, फॉरेस्ट को काट दे रहे हैं, उसकी सारी लकड़ी जो है वो अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए आज यूज कर रहे हैं और उसको खत्म कर रहे हैं, तो फ्यूचर में जनरेशन, जो फ्यूचर की जनरेशन होगी वो क्या करेगी, और उसको हम कैसा क्लाइमेट प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे फिर. ठीक है, हम अपनी एडवांसमेंट की तरफ चल रहे हैं, लेकिन ये हमारी एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हमें अपनी नेचर को भी बचा कर रखना है, टू प्रोटेक्ट दैट एंड टू प्रिजर्व दैट फॉर फ्यूचर जनरेशन. एक तरफ तो हम बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ हम किसी न किसी चीज का नुकसान भी कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? और सेम कंसेप्ट आपके नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में है, दैट इज द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज on the next para, the concept of sustainable development means sustainable development. Anyone know the meaning of this word?
Ma'am, the
Yes.
development without damaging the environment.
Yes, the development that without damaging or destroy the nature, okay, or living organisms who live in this world. That is called the sustainable development. Clear? The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 97. ये जो word था sustainable development, that introduced in 1987 by the Commission on Environmental and Development. किसने introduce किया? Who gave this concept?
World Commission on Environment and Development.
World Commission on Environmental and Development. Okay, and in its report, means it's a commission. Commission means मतलब कि कुछ लोग पार्टी होती है जो इस काम करते हैं. Clear? And that submit its report and define the data as development that meets needs of the present without compromising the ability of future to meet their needs. That is, without stripping the natural world of resources future generation would need. Means the concept of sustainable development became popular in 97 and it given by the World Commission Environment and Development, and it means development that meet the need present. Okay, developments ऐसी हो जो कि present needs जो हैं उसको हम पा सकें, but does not affect the ability of future generation. अपनी needs को तो हम complete करेंगे, but effect on the ability of future generations to meet their needs. फ्यूचर जनरेशंस को जो उसकी नीड्स चाहिए उसको हमने अफेक्ट नहीं करना है, उस पे हमने कोई मतलब बैड इफेक्ट नहीं डालना है. एंड दिस रियलाइजेशन हैज कम टू लेट. हमें इस तरह की रियलाइजेशन करनी चाहिए. सो दैट्स रिपोर्ट सबमिट बाय द World Commission Environment and Development. Clear? Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The concept of
Yes.
dwelling
Yes,
planets is clear? It's clear? Okay. Now you tell me when did Nani Palkhiwala write this article?
24 November 1990.
Rishika, say loudly. Rishika, give me answer.
24 November
Yes.
1994.
Very good. On 24th November 1994, Nani Palkhiwala wrote the article. Okay. Now, Rinshul Chaudhary,
Yes, ma'am.
on which newspaper he wrote it?
Indian Express.
Yes, very good. Indian. Okay. Now, next one is, yes. Now, Dishant,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the meaning of holistic word. What is the meaning of holistic? No? You don't know? Ansh,
Ma'am, religious.
holistic. What is the meaning of holistic? Okay, Sahil. Sahil, you tell me the meaning of holistic. बेटा क्लास ज्वाइन की ना? क्लास में अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. सृजन.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You tell me the meaning of holistic. Vanshika.
Not completed or the thing about which we see and the advantage, but not
Okay. Yes. Holistic means a problem, not complete, but only part of that. Okay. To look at
Yes.
the not completely, but only some part of that. Okay. Now Himanshu Chaudhary. Himanshu Chaudhary is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera. बेटा क्यों ऑफ क्यों किया था कैमरा? Okay, now you tell me who introduced the planets revolving the sun?
Copernicus.
Yes, who? Copernicus. Okay. Okay, very good. Now next.
Ma'am.
Now enormous. What is the meaning of enormous? Rudrash. Rudrash. Firstly, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me the meaning of enormous. What is the meaning of Ananya? Ananya is there? Anmol Guleria? Anmol Guleria is there? Vaishali? Vaishali? No. Krijan, you tell me the meaning of enormous. बेटा अभी मैंने क्लास में आपको ये सब एक एक वर्ड किया, उसका meaning आप लोगों को ये भी बोला जाता है कि टेक योर पेंसिल और पेन इन योर हैंड एंड राइट द मीनिंग. अब फोन के अंदर आके मैं तो नहीं ना लिखूंगी ये सब. Yes, Rishika, you tell me the meaning of this word. In
Very
big, so easy. अगर आप लोग ऐसे ही करें तो it's not good for you, not me. Okay. Okay, and when did the concept of sustainable development introduced?
1987.
1987.
Yes. in 1987 and given by
World Commission
World
of
Com-
Environmental Development.
yes, World Commission on Environment and Development. Okay, he defined what this commission
Development
defined.
that meets the need of the present without the ability of future generations to meet their needs.
Yes, means the development ऐसी चाहिए जो आज की लोगों की नीड्स को भी पूरा करे और फ्यूचर्स के लिए जो फ्यूचर की जनरेशन है उनकी नीड्स को भी पूरा without stripping the natural world of resources future generation would need. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear? Okay.